Stains are the worst thing about doing laundry, they are very hard to come off sometimes. However, we are here to help you solve that problem. You don't have to go to a laundry service, you just need to hear us out. We are going to tell you about the best stain removers, including the natural stain removers that will help you get your clothes in the best shape possible. These natural stain removers will help you solve the problem that has been taking the shape of questions, such as, how to remove oil stains, how to remove ink stains, how to remove coffee stains, or, how to remove grease stains. Whatever the problem is, these natural stain removers will help you. Keep watching this video, to know all about these natural stain removers. You will be satisfied with your laundry from now on. 1. Distilled white vinegar. Distilled white vinegar is a great substance to use if you want to remove those yellow underarm sweat stains that are normally found on clothes. It's basically a DIY stain remover that you can use with your favorite laundry detergent and have your clothes come out of the laundry machine looking great. This is only one way of how to remove stains from clothes when you are doing your laundry. 2. Baking soda. Baking soda is another of those substances that will work wonders with your laundry. It will remove those annoying stains that have been annoying you for quite some time and will leave you satisfied with your laundry skills. It is a natural, homemade stain remover that you can use with your laundry pretty easily. If you've been wondering about the best way to do laundry, then this is the one. Baking soda will make your laundry detergent work better and will help with the process of softening all kinds of fabrics that you own in the house. 3. Lemon or lime juice. It cannot get any more natural than this. Lemon or even lime juice is great for removing stains from your clothes. If you've been desperately looking for an effective coffee stain remover or an oil stain remover, this is the one. The hardest stains to remove will come right off if they find themselves face to face with lemon juice or lime juice. However, you need to make sure that you use real lemon or lime juice and not some bottled variety that has had most of the effective ingredients stripped off. 4. Hydrogen peroxide. When you're about to do the laundry, you might want to consider using hydrogen peroxide to remove stains from your clothes. This substance is very potent in terms of removing stains that are considered very hard to come off. So if you want to get rid of the hardest stains to remove, we recommend that you use hydrogen peroxide next time you do the laundry. It is considered by most to be the best way to remove oil stains from clothes. Go ahead, try it out and come tell us how effective that has turned out. 5. Borax. Borax is another very potent substance that you can use to remove all sorts of stains from clothes, even the hardest stains to remove. Although the name may suggest that it is not a natural substance, as a matter of fact, it is. This very effective substance is made up of sodium, boron, water, and oxygen. All of these work together to give us a very powerful material with which you can remove those very annoying stains from your clothes. Therefore, make sure that you add some with your laundry detergent next time you do the laundry. 6. Talc, cornstarch or chalk. One of the best laundry tips we can give you in this article is by urging you to use substances such as talc, cornstarch or chalk to remove the hardest stains to remove from your clothes. These substances are some of the most effective oil stain removers. Therefore, if you have a couple of clothing items that refuse to be rid of some oil stains, using talc, cornstarch or chalk will help you remove them very effectively. All you need to do is sprinkle your clothes with these substances and let them sit for about 10 minutes or so. After that, you will find that the substance has absorbed all the oil from your clothes. 7. Table salt. You didn't think this one would make it to the list, but it has. Table salt has proven itself to be one of the best stain removers out there. For that reason, we saw it fit to include it among our laundry stain removal tips, the best laundry tips. Therefore, if you are looking for effective blood stain removal or ink stain removal, the salt will help you a lot. All you need to do is sprinkle the salt over the stain and let it absorb the stain by itself. You will find out that it has done wonders and you will keep using it again and again and again. Yup, this has been a list of the best laundry tips and tricks in terms of removing stains. Make sure that you apply our tips for effective stain removing next time you do your laundry. Until next time, I'm going to do my laundry. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. We post videos daily. If you want more, make sure to check these videos.